Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Hair to Stay by Ms.E. So glad you decided to tune in today. Welcome to my subscribers. Welcome to my new viewers. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will become a part of the family as well. Listen, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video coming. So listen, without further ado, let's get into this video. For those of you who did not watch part 1, this is just a recap. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you to go ahead and watch the full video. It gives you very much details, a product, and a specific technique. So go ahead and watch part 1 in its entirety, and I will leave that in the link description box below. Listen, if you have watched part 1, please watch this video all the way through. It's only 4 minutes, y'all. Watch the video all the way through, because at the very end, I'm going to show you how to uninstall this wig. Very easy, very simple, probably about a minute or maybe even less than a minute to remove it. So let's continue to watch the video. I'm going to show you how to take this thing off. So simple, so simple. You see how tight it's on here? It is on here. It is not moving, and it's not going to come off until I take it off. It's only going to take me a few minutes to do it. And guess what? We're not going to use any glue remover. We're not going to use any adhesive remover. We're going to use water. We're going to use H2O. Okay, we're going to get our cotton pad again. We're going to saturate it really well with water. And we're just going to begin by, I always work in sections, and we're going to press it in, right? So I'm pressing this in. Press it in, press it in. Just going to press it in. Press it in, press it in. Ooh, okay, this is, I love this. This is so easy to come off. You're going to love it too. Just saturate it with the water. Try this method and let me know what you think. I'm sure you are going to love it, honey. No glue, no ball cap method, no baby hairs. No glue remover, and it looks natural. You can't tell me this wig does not look natural, honey. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that, honey. Would you look at this? That's all it takes. Was that just a few minutes? Maybe a couple of minutes? And that's how you take it off. No, I'm not taking it all the way off because y'all not about to see what my hair looks like up under here. Now let's move on to the next part of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. And listen, make sure you stay tuned for part 3. Yes, honey, there is a part 3 where I show you how to curl and style this wig. Listen, and as always, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.